So here's how to change Roblox account location. First of all, you need to open up the Roblox on your mobile phone. Then from here, you need to tap on more option onto the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on the more and then scroll it down to the bottom and you will find out the help and security. Tap on that and then again go with the help option. It will take some time to load. Now from to the search bar, you need to search for change location. There you go. So select the first one and then from here you need to scroll it down to the bottom and you will find out the support form. Simply tap on the support form. Once you are here, you can see the contact information is asking. So firstly, just simply go with the Guardian email and simply refresh the email that you have given to the Roblox account. Simply type in the email and the issue. So first select the device. So for my case, I'm going with the Android phone. You can go with the device that you are going through. So like that. Then again, you need to scroll it down and tap on how to, and from here you need to tap on this option, how to change my location. Now you need to type in anything like you want to change your location, why you want to change your location, describe the whole scenario and simply go with the continue button, and there you have it. So that's how you can change Roblox account location. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.